Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, my YouTube channel Screen Money, how to start earning on SurveyMonster site. Before joining, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to make a quick like, and make a comment below. Let's get started. There's definitely some things you need to know, if you have heard about this site, SurveyMonster. So what SurveyMonster really offers? In this review, I'm going to give you information about what SurveyMonster really offers. And you need to know this information, and give you an inside look, so you don't potentially end up wasting your time. So I will log in. It's a very simple site. I will just show you around, and tell you a bit more what you have to be aware of. As you can see, it's actually not really a paid survey site. There's actually not a lot of offers. The thing is about SurveyMonster, you have to sign up to get access to a list of some paid surveys, and give your information. In general, I could to certain agree that would be fine. And to get a list of survey sites, you have to sign up, and then what will happen, they will start spamming you every day with emails. And the site doesn't have any offers here. SurveyMonster doesn't really have any offers. If you don't have any money here, you can getting paid and earn money. You just get this list. I have a lot of opportunities. Some of them are definitely legit survey site. There are also to all kind of internet cash systems. There's a lot of offers here that are at times, and also there are all kind of other, like income plans and work at home and get rich quick thingy. You can see just very short info. There's not a lot of info. It's not a list built on quality. Definitely a waste of time. In my opinion, that are a bit risky, and a link where they get paid, just all kind of offers mixed together. It's not a quality survey site list. That is complete waste of time, in my opinion, to join to SurveyMonster. There are some important tips. You can see here at the top. There is a tiny bit of other information. That's another thing. You can earn up to like $150 per hour of doing surveys. That's more than most people make from on paid survey. You can definitely make legit money, and you can make some really nice extra money. $150 per hour. This is just not how paid survey work. That's just a silly claim. This is just not realistic, and not something that you should expect. And it also says that on average, there are a few surveys once in a while. You make around $20 per survey, where you can make $20 or maybe even more. It's definitely not an average. Most surveys will not pay this. It's very specialized service. In my opinion, these important tips are actually misleading. I've done and tested hundreds of sites, and this is just not the average. You can start registering with 10 to 20 of their offers here. I'm a member of a lot more than 20, but I've also done this for years, and tested sites for years. If you never done paid service, before registering for 10 or 20 service sites, would be very overwhelming. In the beginning, if you join something you know 6 maximum 10, you actually have a chance to get to know the opportunities. You can expand from there, and then find out which offers that are the best for you, but 20 is too overwhelming. And also, it says you start receiving paid service invitations. Then you can handle within a week. You will start receiving paid service the same day. If you sign up for the legit service sites, you don't have to wait a week. Sound like you can make as much money as you want, which is not really true. It's more like a sales trick to make it. It will not make you a full-time income. You can have your opinion heard and get paid for it. You just need to do it with the right expectations. I think SurveyMonster not a favorite site of mine. It's actually a waste of time. There's all kind of other credit score offers, weird offers, and all kind of things like this. You have to sign up just to get access to this list, and the list is not even a quality list, and it's not just paid service. In my experience, the tips they're giving you are not really good tips in my opinion. There are a lot of survey sites are legit, so I suggest to spend your time on other service sites. And that way you actually get paid on those sites, and that gives you real opportunities. If you want more videos about how to make money online, you can subscribe and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to make a quick like. Stay safe, and goodbye.